Hi guys! I'm Max. Welcome to Max and Chiah. For today's video guys, we're going to make our favorite slime in the world. The Blackpink slime. Our favorite group of girls guys has come back with their new song. Since Blackpink is our favorite,
How you like that?
we're going to make
How you like that?
we're going to make a slime inspired by Blackpink. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and like for more slime updates. So now we're going to make the Blackpink slime in 3, 2, 1. Our ingredients are
Activator, glue, food color, food color.
3 food color. They're yellow, blue, and also
Is the other
purple.
one trashed? Is the other
Also,
one
we have this water and
plastic? I get my plastic.
this plastic container, and plastic fork. So let's just move this aside, guys, so that we can start with our slime.
I can't do my zip on.
Chiah will make the pink slime, and I'm going to make the black, and then later on we're going to mix them together to make a Blackpink slime. Yes. Okay, now let's start.
First it's me.
Both of us. We can help you.
Am I funny? Come on, am I funny?
There.
Oopsie.
Oopsie. We have our new glue. I'm so excited. That's enough. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy.
What? Does that exist?
Oh, ridiculous.
How could I do
There you go, guys.
it?
Okay. Good to add some glue.
Yung una-una po ay.
Okay, that's enough.
Okay. Now I need but
Okay, let's wipe it with tissue so that if you're going to make a
first
slime,
you're gonna put activator.
if you open
then
it,
water.
it won't be
Then
so hard to
activator.
open it. Okay. There we go. Now let's close it.
First, you put activator. When you're done putting activator, then water, then activator again.
There. I added water.
Hey, first is activator. See mine, I just put
This is enough.
activator. I could put some more. I could
Don't be shy. Put some more. Mix it properly, okay? Mix it well.
No.
Okay, now I'm going to add activator on
Hey, you're stepping the size
slime.
away.
Nice.
Oh,
Let's just keep mixing and adding more activators so that
not
you
yet.
can be sure. So
Sure
that our slime is not super activated.
Super gluey. Maybe I like this. Guys, I don't need to add the water. I don't need to add the water. Guys, it looks like a lighter.
I think I have a problem with my slime. Can you add activator, please? Chiah online.
Not yet.
That's enough.
Do
Okay.
you want to?
You need to clean your bowl.
Never mind.
So you have to.
This is the do to clean it, but no, not yet. If she's done.
Wow.
Oh my god. I cannot stretch it. Oh my god. I just use Optimaxing for I like to clean Optimaxing. I like my slime. It's not
So what's next?
We're going to add food color.
my fork.
Oh my god. Okay, now let's add food color. Okay, so I'm going to help my sister put food color. Okay. Can I borrow your fork?
Yes. That's okay.
What about try mixing?
Can I do it? Can I do it?
Okay. So what's next here?
Okay. That means it's gonna be more.
Okay, so you're gonna mix it now.
Oh my god. My hand's so witty. Okay, now it's time for me to add.
Guys, you're gonna be so careful. You will step the food color. Then your hands is gonna be so dirty.
You mean touch the food color.
Okay, so we have these 3 colors. There's strawberry, there's purple, and yellow. So they're basically red, yellow, blue, guys. To make black, you're going to mix them to make black. Okay.
Can I add more pink? See?
Okay.
Look at guys.
There.
My
Let's add
slime
this
is
one
so
first.
body. Guys, look.
I'm so nervous. Okay, this one. Let's get it. Okay, there. It's so hard to open it. Okay.
What's happening? Is it done out?
There. Now we're going to mix
The flour.
Why is it so sticky?
Mine is not sticking.
Wow.
Guys,
Nice
look at my slime.
combination.
It's not sticky.
May kalaba-laba.
Oh my god.
It's
Just add a
not
lot.
black.
How much? Yes.
I just add more.
Look at my hands. It's red. It's red.
Look at my slime. It's pink. It's pink. It's almost pink. Or you could step at the side. Or you could step at the side.
I've got a big problem today.
Guys, I don't need it anymore.
I think we need some brown to
Make
black.
Pink in your area.
There. Okay, what about let's mix first before we know.
So that you know.
So
Before you
that-
know.
Can I have a little? Because it's really sticky.
I don't need to add. I think it's all black. Ah, I just step it.
Ooh,
Look at my hands. Yeah. Maybe I just add a lot. And a lot and a lot.
let's add more brown.
Guys, it's fine. It's not good too.
Oh, it's already black.
Yes. And Chia, yours is not.
I'm still gonna mix.
You kept mixing.
I can mix it. Maybe I just
I have
add
a
more
mix
activator.
solution.
I'm just gonna use it because this will stretch.
I think I need to get this.
The ring is dirty. Ew.
It's so hard making black slime, but good thing we have brown color to make it black. And now we're going to get this. Uh-oh, sorry for the slime.
So what are you gonna do now?
I'm going to do a swirl with the black and pink slime together. Okay, there. Now it's not very sticky to my hands. Going to
Mine is not sticky to my hand.
put it like that and hold it. Uh-oh. Ah. It actually melts faster than I thought. Let's start to play the Blackpink slime. I have an idea, guys. Wait, Chia, wait. I have an idea.
Oh. Guys, look at my rose. Dun, 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 dun. Guys, look at my rose.
It's epic. So epic.
Muka duraning hibana.
Oh,
Can I
Chia slime makes the black slime harder. They're still pink. So that's it, guys. It's already black.
Oh my.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe with the notification bell and like to get more updates.
I think it's more brown than black.
Broken. My slime
Wow.
is broken.
In this time of pandemic, you should wash your hands and stay at home. Bye, guys.
Bye. My slime is broken.